Okay, welcome back, and we are now in challenge number 31. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Evaluate 10 is less than 6. Store both numbers in different variables. Display instructions to the screen. Use the correct decision code, and then display the output to the screen. So let's see how well your students can write the pseudocode, the flowchart, and the code for this particular challenge. So the pseudocode is going to be straightforward. We've been looking at this for a couple of tutorials now. Simply evaluate 10 is less than 6. Store those numbers in their respective variables, make the decision, and display the output. So in the same way, create the flow chart doing the same thing, except this time making sure that in the diamond-shaped icon in the flowchart that you are now giving options. If this is true, do something. If this is false, do something else. Now, for this particular example, of course, it has one direct output, and this output, because the logic is false, 10 is greater than 6, but 10 less than 6 will read false, and we need to know that. The computer needs to tell us that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at this, 10 less than 6. And if it is false and it is false, I'm going to let us know that num1 is actually greater than num2. So with that being said, let's take this and see what it works. Evaluate if 10 is less than 6, false. 10 is greater than 6. So that's exactly what the code works. Now, again, I'm adding some flair to this, but again, in the game, when your students are simply writing out the code, just ensure that they are writing out the most basic code that they need to at this point so that they really appreciate the logic of what's going on. So with that, I will see you